Hi, this is Ekta. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain you NCERT Class 9, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first question is, in quadrilateral ACBD, AC equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. So, here we can see that AC and AD are equal and AB is a common side and this AB bisects angle A, angle CAD. This angle is bisected by line AB. We have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now the solution is, in quadrilateral ACBD, we have AC equal to AD, that is given. This AB is the common side and angle CAB is congruent to angle DAB because AB bisects angle CAD. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency test. So when two triangles are congruent, the remaining parts of the triangle, congruent triangles, are also congruent. So BC is equal to BD, congruent parts of congruent triangles. So this way BC will be equal to BD. Now in question 2, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. So angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. So these two angles are equal. And we have to prove that triangle ABD, this triangle, is congruent to triangle BAC, these triangles. So this triangle and this triangle are congruent, that we have to prove. So in quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equal to BC because that is given. The common side, and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, that is also given. Now take two triangles ABD and triangle BAC. These two triangles that we have to prove equal or congruent. So in that, AD equal to BC, that is already given in the question. AB is a common side and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA because that is also given from the question. So these two triangles will be congruent by SAS test of congruency. So this sides which are given in the question, this is the common side and this is the angle that is also given in the question. So these two triangles will be equal or congruent by SAS congruency test. Now since these two triangles are congruent, we can say that BD equals to AC, congruent sides of congruent triangles. Because when two triangles are congruent, by test of congruency, remaining parts of the triangles are also congruent. Similarly, angle ABD, this particular angle, and angle BAC, this particular angle, ABD and BAC, these two are also congruent by congruent parts of congruent triangles. So there might be a sort of confusion how these two angles are taken. So for triangle ABD, this angle has been taken, and for triangle BAC, this angle has been taken. So you can basically separate two angles and separate two triangles and check the congruency test. That's all that we had to prove in question number 2, that the two triangles are congruent and their one BD and AC, one sides, and angle ABD and angle BAC, that we have proved. Now in question 3, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. We have to show that CD bisects AB. So basically, this AD and BC are perpendiculars on the one and the same line AB, and we have to prove that this CD is bisecting AB. Bisecting means making equal parts, dividing in equal parts. So we have angle, since this AD and BC are making perpendicular angles, that means they are making 90-degree angles. So ABC is 90 degree and BAD is also 90 degree because they are perpendicular on one and the same line AB. Also, AB and CD both interact at point O. So basically they are going to make one pair of vertically opposite angles also. So AOD and BOC, these are the vertically opposite angles as well. So in triangle, we will take two triangles, OBC and triangle OAD, these two triangles. In these two triangles, angle AB and C means OBC. We can say OBC because they are the collinear points AOB. So OBC is equal to BAD, that is OAD, we can say. BC equals to AD, that is given. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angles. So therefore these two triangles are congruent by ASA congruency test. Angle, side, one side and one angle, ASA congruency test. So when two triangles are congruent, by congruent sides of congruent triangles, we can say that OB is equal to OA. So when we say that these two parts are equal on the same line, OB is equal to OA, can we say that O is the midpoint of AB? Yes. So O is midpoint of AB because OB is equal to OA. Thus we can say that CD bisects AB in two equal parts. In question number 4, L and M are two parallel lines. This L and M are the two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines, P and Q. So they are actually been intersected by one more pair of parallel lines, P and Q. We have to show that triangle ABC, this triangle, is congruent to triangle CDA. So these two triangles are congruent, that we have to prove. So basically first thing that they have given is P and Q are parallel. So when these are parallel, this AC is the transversal and L and M are parallel. Here also AC is the transversal. So when there are two parallel lines and one transversal, there is a pair of alternate interior angles formed. So when L and M are parallel, AC is the transversal, we can say that BAC, this angle, and DCA, this angle. These are the alternate interior angles formed by transversal AC and parallel lines L and M. Similarly, P and Q are parallel lines and AC is a transversal. So BCA, this particular one, and DAC, this one, are also alternate interior angles. So in these two triangles, triangles ABC and CDA, what we have? We have 1 pairs congruent. This BAC and DCA are equal, that we have proved above, and similarly BCA and DAC is equal, we have proved above, and this AC is a common side. So these two triangles are congruent by ASA test of congruency, angle side angle test of congruency. That's what we have to prove. We have to prove that ABC and CDA are the congruent triangles. Thank you for watching my channel. Do subscribe my channel if you like this video, like and share it. Thank you.